Hi there, everyone. Today I'm just cleaning the inside of my car, and I'd like to give you some advice when cleaning the instrument cluster here. I suggest, let's spray some of this on. It's just your eyeglass cleaner, and then just use like a eyeglass towel here, special towel. Whatever you do, don't use this like microfiber cloths. I don't know if you could see it here. Probably not that good. But yeah, I scratched it up pretty good using one of those cloths. So I just suggest using just like a good eyeglass cleaner and just a nice soft eyeglass towel or a nice soft shirt. And then when you want to do the inside, other parts of the inside of the car here, I like this Meguiar's here. So it cleans and protect, just your interior detail cleaner. I find this looks really good. So I hope this helps out. And whatever you do, don't use those microfiber cloths. You'll scratch up your car. See down in here, scratched it up. All right, enjoy. Take care. Bye.